Hello my friends, welcome to a new video on this brand new YouTube channel. Today we are here in the Netherlands, in the most beautiful city of the Netherlands called Gouda, which is my hometown, and we're going to do some street photography using the Ricoh GR3. So let's go! Welcome to Gouda, and if you ask me, it really is one of the most charming cities in the Netherlands. But this video is not an advertisement for cities in the Netherlands, it's about street photography, POV style. So if we haven't met before, my name is Niels. I'm a Dutch police officer as well as a Ricoh GR ambassador, and I will be one of the guys providing you with content on this brand new YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you around my hometown called Gouda, and I will show you two ways I use to process my images, one inside the Ricoh GR and one on the computer. Due to the whole corona situation, there are not a lot of people on the streets. We are not on lockdown, so I am allowed to go out for some street photography. However, with less people on the streets, it is a little bit harder to stay incognito. That doesn't really matter though, I'm just going to show you around my city, trying to use different ways to edit my photos and see if we can come up with some decent photos. So there are two ways I use to process my images. The first one is I take my SD card out, put the images on the computer and I edit them in Lightroom, either using my own presets or I just go with the flow and see what the best type of image is I can come up with. But the other type of processing is using the in-camera presets. And the main one I use for this is called Positive Film, and I really like this one because it gives your images a very nice contrasty type of result, and I really like it. So what I do is I shoot in RAW plus JPEG, and then I set the JPEG type to the preset called Positive Film. So the raw images I can just put into the computer and I edit in Lightroom, and the JPEGs are already in Positive Film. And this is very nice because using the Wi-Fi feature I can just transfer the images right to my phone, and then I have them already processed in a very cool and nice way just to put them online. So these are the two things I use to process my images. I like getting creative when it comes to editing photos. I want them to pop, to show some kind of mood and energy. Some people think my editing style is a little bit over the top, some people love it, but hey, it's a matter of taste, right? As long as you have fun shooting, the end result doesn't really matter. You shouldn't get caught up in gear and results, just go out and enjoy photography, because that's what it's all about. So as you can see, I've been using this POV style of shooting to show you guys what I see when I shoot the video. But you can also see me struggling with the GR neck strap. Lately I've been using the GR a lot to document my life, to shoot some photos of my kid and my life and my personal photos basically. But for that I've been using the neck strap because it's nice to be able to hang the GR from your neck and have your hands free to catch my kid while she's trying to throw herself off some playground stuff. But for this type of videos it's better to just have the wrist strap. So if you see me struggling, it's because of that. As you can see, I very often use the touch, focus and shoot function. You can just tap the touchscreen to tell the camera where to focus and shoot. This works very fast and intuitive. It makes shooting so comfortable. There are different image profiles within the Ricoh GR. Most people, including me, love the way these profiles look. I also enjoy the process of editing my photos myself, and the combination between quick and easy but very beautiful image profiles and the possibility of editing the raw images myself makes shooting with my GR a lot of fun. Let me know in the comments how you use the image profiles and what your favorite preset is. So that is it for today's video. It's not really a good day for street photography because with the whole corona situation there are not a lot of people out on the streets. I just tried to use the light and show you guys around my hometown. As I said, I'm not the only content creator on this YouTube channel. There will be other guys showing you other types of videos, giving you tips and tricks, as well as just showing you around their area throughout Europe. So I think that will be very cool. So if you are interested in more, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.